Guys, welcome back to the series called as More Mau. I am vlogging again, and yes, I have red hair. We'll talk about it later, but right now we are running shit late, okay? It's 11:12 or something, 11:11. And I'm running late because मेरी घड़ी बंद हो गई है घर की. So yeah, I am making a Mau Rants video which you must have seen already before this vlog comes up. So if you have not, then I'll leave it on the screen right now. Go ahead and watch it. It's a very intense and sensitive topic, and I wanted to talk about this since a very long time, guys. I just could not sleep last night. I was not gonna touch this topic, but I was like, no, I have to put my thoughts forward. So yeah, let's go get ready, get some makeup on this face, and then we'll start shooting. So let's just talk about my hair because my battery is dead. My battery, as in my camera's battery, is dead, and I'm so stupid. I need to buy a new battery. I still haven't. Also, just do not mind the pasara behind. That's how I live, and that's how the situation is whenever I shoot. So anyway, let's talk about my hair. So this is, I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a hint of brown and red both. I in my third year I had done like red highlights like this, but I had not gone itna upar. I had just done here, and it was pure red. Okay, there was no hint of any other color. But this time I wanted to go a little up, and also I did not want those stark red highlights. So मैंने कुछ भी pre lightening नहीं कराया है. This is directly done on my actual hair. So what is pre lightening? Basically, pre lightening is you take off the darkness of your hair, and then you paint it with any color you want. So for warmer colors it's not needed, for cooler colors it's needed. I wanted to do purple first, so purple, blue, green come in the cooler family. I wanted to do that first because obviously BTS, ARMY, Purple. So I wanted to do that, but the stylist told me that I'll have to lighten my hair, and if I do that, the color would fade off like this, and then I will be left with those blonde, yellowish highlights, which I hate. Okay, so I was like, okay, red ke sath I was okay with it then. So we did red and brown both. So I don't know. I mean, maybe I'll try to insert some pictures, or maybe just stay tuned on my Instagram where I'll have a proper photo shoot with these hair. So yeah, so I got this done from Enrich, which is there in Malad Infinity Mall. I got it done from there. It costed me around 6,000, and yeah, and I took membership also, so you know, whenever I need to go I'll get discount. So yeah, not sponsored by Enrich, by the way, just putting it out there. And yeah, that's it. So I'll talk about the hair care part after I sit to shoot, and after I am thoda calm down, because I am getting pumped for the Mau Rants video. So I was just jotting some points down for the video. It's all about the controversies which are going on in the beauty community for like right now. So definitely watch that video. I think it will clear a lot of doubts.
3 hours later.
Scene, we are done with this video. Not this video, the Mau Rants video. I just got done. My battery was giving me a hard time, so I placed an order for a new battery. 2000 की बैटरी आती है यार, मतलब पैसे तो उड़ ही रहे हैं मतलब. So my battery was giving me a hard time. बार बार डिस्चार्ज हो रही थी, so it took way more time than I had expected, and I am running shit late. I have to edit this video, post it today itself. I have a lot of other deadlines to meet, so it's gonna be very hectic. So I'm not gonna waste any more time. I'm just gonna get rid of the little makeup that I have put, do some masking, and sit to edit. So yeah, I'll see you then. Before I go and, like, you know, get busy in editing, let me just talk about Mamaearth shampoo and conditioner. So I tested them out for a good month. Okay, I posted about them on my Instagram story in the last week of August, and I have tested them out on its own, with oil, without oil, with hair mask, blah blah, and I have an opinion to give. Okay, so this is their Mamaearth onion hair mask and conditioner. Don't worry, they do not smell like onion at all. Okay, that is Chevy's Babu. She calls her Dolly. Anyway, so let's talk about them. So I have, as I said, I've tested them in every possible way. Now I like to use them when I have not oiled my hair. Okay, when I feel guilty for not oiling my hair and I have to wash them anyhow. So what I do is I go in with a mild sulfate free, paraben free, all harmful chemical free shampoo, so that I'm not damaging my hair more. So that's when this shampoo and conditioner comes in handy. If you are someone who deals with a lot of frizz and very dry ends and dry roots, this is the shampoo you should go for. There, it is extremely moisturizing. Okay, your hair feels really soft, and I have seen a visible result in the frizz that I have, and touch wood, my hair fall is definitely gone, and the credit goes to the whole range, because first I tried the mask, then I went for the oil, and I have not stopped using it, and now I'm using this. Now obviously I can't use the shampoo since I have colored my hair, so I have to stop using it, sadly, but I am definitely gonna continue using the conditioner. Surprisingly, it smells like chocolate. There is no chocolate in it. It has onion and coconut though, but it smells so good, like choco butter, and I love it. And I have a coupon code which is flashing on screen right now. I'm not gonna earn anything because of that code. You're gonna get 20% off if you use this only on Mamaearth's website, and it's available on Nykaa and Amazon as well. And let's not forget that Mamaearth is plastic positive. I don't know, people don't take this thing seriously, but our earth is dying, guys. So I'm gonna appreciate all the brands which are gonna take any initiative towards saving our earth. So yeah. And I'm still editing, so yeah, this takes so much time. People think that it's very easy to make YouTube videos, guys. No, we have to put in the whole day for one video. So yeah, can you guys see me? I don't know if you guys can. Then just letting you know that I'm going to pick Chevy up, and it's raining a little. She's crying because she didn't get caramel custard. So yeah, Mau for the rescue. The watchman, he was not letting me come up. So weird. Annoying shit. Then next, इकडे बघून बोल. Very good. Next. Very good. तिकडे तिला सांग आधी काय. Okay guys, it's pretty late. It's almost 11 o'clock. I just totally forgot to vlog because whenever Chevy comes home, it's like my house is in a mess. Okay, सब उसके पीछे भाग रहे होते हैं. So I just totally forgot to vlog. I'm so sorry, but I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog till now. I am gonna go with my friends like tomorrow. It's like a small outing, one day outing, and I totally forgot that I had to pack for it. So here is my bag. I just have like packed a lot of stuff in this. Skincare is done. I was just like packing my makeup. So mascara and just my favorite lipsticks, a BB cream, kajal, concealer, eyebrow product, that's it, and a lip balm. Obviously I can't forget lip balm. So ये सब पैक करी थी मैं, इसमें डाल रही थी. So I thought why not just end the vlog while I do it. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. And also if you're planning to like get your hair colored, please make sure that you take care of them. You have to be extra careful with your hair after you color them because they become more prone to hair fall or any other problems, maybe dryness or something like that. So you have to regularly oil, you have to change your shampoos, use the shampoos which the stylist or the salon will recommend. So yeah, and I hope you guys loved this because अभी मैंने जो वीडियो पोस्ट किया है, I am getting such a good response. So thank you so much for understanding the purpose of the video, and a lot of you guys are giving me compliments on my hair. You guys have loved it, so thank you so much, and I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Mwah. Bye.